Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload your game to Twitch so that users and streamers can select it as a category or a game while they stream. So you're just going to head over to igdb.com and then click on this hamburger menu, and then under contribution, click add a game. And then what you're going to do is just go ahead and go through all these tabs and then click create game. So I'm just going to go ahead and add one for Island Supermarket Simulator. And if someone already did this for you, so for example, if you did upload it to Steam's Next Fest, there's a very good possibility that a publisher or someone who has already reached out to you may have already added this to their database. But basically, you'll be going through this list of alternate names, genres, the company, website, so on. And when it's completed and uploaded, it should look something like this. It's going to show data validation pending, if you have any changes that's to be made. And yeah, it'll basically just show exactly how you've put it up, along with some similar games related to yours. And that pretty much covers how to upload your game over to Twitch. Thanks for watching Code of the Row. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.